What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is Drunk Nurse Parks in the Worst Place Possible. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
On April 19, 2023, an officer observed a vehicle blocking the exit to the fire department.
What are we doing here?
We're just
Hi, how
You guys part of the fire department?
Yes, I'm so sorry. Oh my god.
You are part of them?
No, we're
Why are we blocking the gateway for ambulances and all that?
What? She parked at the fire department?
Because I'm
No. Yeah, first of all, it says no entry.
I didn't see that, sir, but we're
Here, I'll show it to you. Here.
Stop.
Right here. Do not enter.
Sorry, sir.
And then what about the drink you guys dropped over there? Who's been drinking? Are you guys been drinking?
It's water, bro.
Who's the driver?
water. I'm the driver and I have progressive insurance.
Are you been drinking?
I have been drinking water.
So there's no alcohol in your system whatsoever.
Sorry, sir.
I'm the traffic officer. I'm doing DUIs. This is not a normal behavior to block a place where we've had so many fatalities and so many old people that need emergency rescue.
And I'm also part of the hospitality assistance. So anything that has been for
I need your license, your registration,
and you
insurance,
can
then.
also talk for me because
I need your license, your registration, insurance.
Okay, so you could come to my vehicle.
Okay.
Step
And you're going to approach me.
You're going to put your stuff.
570 repairs 10-4 switching 2.
This is the fire area?
FP records.
You don't see the sign? St. Lucie County Fire District Station number 2.
I don't have my glasses.
570 on records. You're supposed to be wearing when you drive?
I'm sorry?
You're supposed to wear them when you drive? Your glasses?
Sir, do you have a
Well, I'm an organ donor, so I mean, so exactly what it is that I did wrong in this situation?
Your
I was pulled up in front of a
fire station, blocking the entrance where they exit for emergency services only.
Okay.
You appear to be under the influence of alcohol, driving and having positive control of a motor vehicle. They're parked right here in front of Station 2.
I just literally got out
and
the
all
bar
that.
with my boyfriend and we stopped because we were discussing a situation, and then we had the police at our back and we were not swerving or curving or any of situation of sort.
I didn't
So
pull them
I'm
over here.
trying
They
to
already
understand
stopped.
as to what exactly
You
what
stop
happened.
talking?
They disposed of the drink over there.
Amelia, can you stop talking?
What drink was disposed?
It's water on the ground.
We're
I
gonna go
dropped
ahead
my
and go with
cup.
the
Wait,
you
hold
haven't-
on.
He's not driving.
All right, I'm gonna go with
Call
only
your
one
dad.
person real quick.
You're
I'm
gonna
gonna go
call
with
your
the
dad
driver.
to come out here and get your car. We're not driving. We weren't driving. So you're gonna.
She has positive control of a motor vehicle, sir. I'm not gonna go through this right now.
No, but what I'm
I'm gonna ask her to perform some standardized field sobriety exercises.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, you ready?
I'm trying to
All right.
understand what drink
We're gonna
was
use this white solid line right here, ma'am.
She doesn't drink at all, and she just had a couple drinks. Stephanie, comply or go sit down in the car.
So I suggest you go
but
over
I'm
there.
a female, but
Okay,
and
I
if
suggest you go listen to what he's saying.
No, I do not respond well to males, and I'm a female, and I would respect the fact that I'm a
If you're gonna
female.
refuse to perform standardized field sobriety exercises,
This is part of the problem. This is why you in the case that you in right now. You ain't listening to the boyfriend. The boyfriend is kind of he know what time it is. The boyfriend know what time it is. I'm not gonna lie to you. The boyfriend know what time it is already. That's why you're like, shut up. We gonna have your dad come get the car. Boom, boom. She keep yapping. Well, I'm the driver of the vehicle. You can't even see. Like, her eyes is cross-eyed. She's so jacked up, man. She's so drunk. She need to start responding to males. Yeah, that's what she need to do. Look, my boy hit me up, man. My boy hit me up. I gotta hit him back though. But yeah, yeah. So let's get back to the video.
you'll see right here it says operation of a motor vehicle constitutes consent
I'm not just
to any sobriety test required by law.
You're not doing that, and we're going to leave your car here. Your
not
dad's coming to get you. Let's go up.
But no,
You don't run the show.
Well,
It's not
you
what
guys
you're
just-
saying.
Please just go with what's going
I'm trying
on.
to figure out
We're just normal
what is
people.
exactly
We're
going.
trying to get home.
You don't get to make the decisions. This is his.
But hold on,
Situation
I'm
is-
trying-
Stephanie, stop and wake up. Relax.
I'm trying to figure out what's
You're
going
gonna
on
call
right
your
now.
father and come get your car right now. And then do
All right,
whatever
right
he
now I'm in
tells
the
you
middle
to do
of
as
an
a man.
investigation, sir.
Investigate, call your
Hold
father.
on,
And,
because
you know,
you just literally said that a drink was dispensed in my
Ma'am,
vehicle.
you have policy control. You can get those keys.
No, that's my car.
There you go.
So
Thank you.
first and foremost,
Throw the keys, and you're not going to grab me again.
Okay.
Stop.
I'm not grabbing you
Stop.
because you're being very exaggerative.
Ma'am, the best part is
Can you
everything's
unlock this
recorded on
phone
my,
so
on
we
my
can call your
cell
dad?
and on my car. Okay?
And as of your consult, you're taking
sorry.
my
You're having
vehicle.
slurred
I'm
speech.
sorry. I'm sorry.
You have
How am
positive
I
control
taking-
of a motor vehicle.
Stephanie, shut up and call
You
your
guys
dad.
need to stop. Both of you.
We're done.
You're impeding. You can get yourself in jail for impeding.
I'm saving my.
She's the one that's positive control. You're not saving anything. You're making things worse. And it's escalating more and more. We don't need to escalate things.
Listen, what's going on?
You're saying
right
that
now?
you can't speak to a male. The whole time, ma'am, I've been asking you questions.
And I have
And
not
all that.
answered any of your questions because I don't even understand what the hell is going on right now. I have not been pulled over for speeding.
No, you're
Or for
not.
slurred
You
speech
are being
as
stepped
to
out with
what-
blocking the EMS area right here, which is
Because
fire.
I pulled over.
Okay. And I'm
Because I pulled over.
yeah.
And as to what you're saying is oblivious as to what you're saying.
Okay. And I told you because you are blocking the fire
Because I
district
am
right here.
blocking.
Why do you keep
but
on talking? If you want to hear what I'm saying, please just
because
listen
the
to me,
only
ma'am.
matter as to what you're saying is because I'm blocking.
And have positive control of motor vehicle while under the influence. Ma'am,
Stay over there.
ma'am,
Oh my God, I'm gonna sit right here,
Because
sir.
I don't feel comfortable.
ma'am,
speaking
you're
on-
about to put yourself in
Stephanie, sit on the
handcuffs.
ground and listen.
Please come talk to me.
Please, bro. We don't need this. We don't.
You know what? Go ahead and ask her if
I
she's willing to
literally
perform these
just
exercises.
pulled
Are you
over.
willing to perform
You
the
weren't pulled
exercises that
over.
he's asking you?
Of
Stop so
course,
someone
but
can come
if
get our
I
Go
can
ahead and do
just
the
talk
exercises.
with
Please stop so someone can get your car.
Bro, listen, hush. The both of you guys speaking at the same time is not helping.
Exactly.
So stop
Oh,
so
Oh,
we
you're
can
still
get
going to give
this
me
done and
one
over with.
more.
Stop.
I don't appreciate.
Are you gonna do the exercises? Yes or no?
exercise? If you can explain to me what the hell is going on, because I literally was just pulled over. This officer.
No, you weren't
telling
pulled
me-
over,
Listen,
ma'am.
okay.
She pulled over for a reason.
Hold
so we
on
can
one
talk.
second.
Please, listen. I'm at your feet.
Can I just speak?
Let us go home.
Here you go. What's her name?
Anybody telling me anything?
Stephanie, listen.
Yo estoy hablando. Tú hablas español.
Listen to me.
Tú hablas español.
Are you not gonna listen?
Si tú hablas español, yo puedo
I don't.
hablar.
I don't.
Okay, so el problema que yo tengo.
54.
Porque
You don't
tú
have
sabes
a
lo
problem,
que yo estoy
baby.
diciendo. I literally just walked out of there, and about not even a mile away, I'm driving, and I pulled over to a fire department, and this gentleman here is telling me my rights,
He's not telling you nothing.
and I did not even swerve. I didn't even
You
have.
didn't get stopped by the
a hot-
cops, bro.
So I'm trying to understand what exactly did I do wrong.
You didn't do anything wrong.
What did I do wrong for you to pull me over
You didn't do
and
anything.
tell me that I have to perform a
I thought you
residual
wanted to talk to the young lady, not me.
situation? No, because you pulled me over, so you're
I didn't pull you
accountable.
over.
Are you done? Are
You
you done?
literally pulled me over.
Are you done?
No.
That's choice for you.
When you're done talking, then I'll explain.
Okay, so I'm done talking because obviously you want to be like in his procedural situation.
If you would have listened to what he said,
I tried because he's not explaining
listen,
anything.
I'm not gonna go back and forth with you.
You're
I'm
not,
gonna
because
keep
obviously you have no rights over anything. You're just a police officer. You're a part of the government.
Whenever I'm doing
And you have nothing to say.
she's looking at me.
I'm waiting to speak, but you just keep speaking
Go
over
ahead,
me.
speak.
Are you gonna
He
stop
called
talking?
you.
Yeah, but when you're
What have you
and you're
to say
blocking
to
the
me?
thing, it doesn't.
Well, I'm trying to talk, but you keep talking over me.
Go ahead.
So if you're not gonna listen, then
I'm
there's no
listening.
point in anything.
Listening.
Okay. He clearly said I was not here.
I wasn't swerving. I wasn't
Okay.
speeding or anything.
It's water, dude.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, and that's what I'm saying. No, we're not going to make lies up anymore.
It's water.
That's why you wanted to get rid of the cup and all that. And it's
Bro.
it's understandable. You know, I can deal with the cup thing.
Bro, there's another sin. The same cup is in there.
All right, ma'am. See, I'm trying to, and then it escalates more and more, sir.
You should be ashamed of yourself, mommy. You should. This is
You
ridiculous. No, I should. I save lives. What do you do?
Same thing.
You save lives.
Yeah.
You save lives.
Yeah.
Can you unlock your phone so I can call somebody, please?
No, you don't need to call nobody because they think that they save lives.
Okay.
When there's people that are being abused and molested,
She's about to be placed in hand.
let them
All right,
be.
Just let you know.
Can I talk to
and-
her?
Something, because You have a right to an attorney. No. You don't have nothing to say to them.
They're gonna take you to jail.
I know, and I have been trying to execute as much patience as possible right now.
As much patience. Don't say nothing.
Stephanie.
No está hablando. Porque ella no sabe que ella...
Bro, she can't shut the fuck up to save her life, man. Shut the fuck up. Shut the hell up, dog. Like, just listen. Listen to somebody, please. But whatever you're thinking in your head, don't do it. Don't say it. Just shut up. You talking yourself into jail. You going anyways, just because we can all tell you intoxicated. So you going regardless. But I'm just saying, listen to the boyfriend, listen to somebody, the officers, whatever. You don't want to deal with the male officer? All right, whatever. Deal with the female officer. The female officer is trying to talk to you. You keep talking over her. You keep downgrading her. You don't do, I save lives. You don't do nothing. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh my goodness. Like, God damn. She can't shut up. Shut up. How does he deal with her? And then you got her pregnant? God damn, she can't shut the fuck up.
España.
Can you stop?
Sabe que ella
Open
de
your phone.
España.
Can you open your phone so your dad
Ella
can...
una...
Bro, you're gonna go to jail. You
I
wanna go
don't
to
care.
jail?
She's a...
Do you wanna go to jail?
No, that's fine.
Is this,
Bro, if you
is
look
this
up
the
her-
behavior
That's
we
the
want to
way
do,
of the
ma'am?
world.
That's the way of the world.
No, please.
That's the way of the world. You guys take over Florida like you
Arrest
took
you.
over
They're gonna
America.
arrest you.
Sir.
Please, sir.
Sir, I have to.
You're gonna go to jail, bro.
Sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Alright, listen.
Oh,
Just give me a second, sir. Please.
She doesn't know who she is.
can you unlock the phone so I can get your dad to come get your car?
If she doesn't want to give you the phone, she doesn't want to give you the phone.
I don't even know how. I don't even phone.
Because you're not listening.
I've been standing here and I haven't been aggravated.
I love
in
you,
the
dog.
situation.
All right.
She doesn't know herself.
It doesn't matter
I know
who she
myself,
is.
though,
She's
man.
here to help you.
No, but she doesn't, and you
Please
don't.
follow
All right, go with
Give me
her.
a second, sir.
What's your code to this phone? Do you know how to unlock an iPhone?
She has to unlock it. She has to have a code. I don't know her code.
You're ridiculous.
Oh, I'm sorry, ma'am.
Don't even touch me right now.
Stop.
Don't touch me.
You're under arrest.
I'm under arrest for what?
I already
For
told
what?
you. Stop doing that.
For what?
Stop.
I'm under
Ma'am,
arrest for
stop.
what?
Stop.
Him.
Stop. Don't come over here, sir. Don't come over here. Don't come over here, sir. Well, she's kicking me and all that. What am I supposed to do?
Just. I'm gonna go on her phone.
I didn't do nothing, bro. I didn't do nothing. And here you are. Here you are watching me. When the whole world
You got her on the
is in a problem.
Ma'am, stop. Pull her through. Pull her through. Pull her through. Stop, ma'am. Stop kicking me. Keep him from coming over here.
I got him. You're good. You're good. I got him.
Thank you. Stop, ma'am. Stop. Stop.
You, bro. Because I
Her
didn't do
lip
shit.
back, so I don't care.
I didn't do shit, bro.
She's kicking.
I didn't do
That's not nice because she's pregnant, dude.
Let me explain something to you.
12 weeks pregnant.
Why don't, sir, come look at me. What am I supposed to do when I'm getting kicked?
I'm trying to.
You saw that. I did not go hard. I didn't punch her or anything.
Listen, it's all on
She's
video.
kicking. You're right. It is.
That's it.
You can't be kicked, sir. You can't kick
You can't touch
cops.
a pregnant woman.
You can't kick
touch a
cops.
woman.
All right,
That's
go.
her
Take a
job.
walk somewhere.
No.
What do you mean, no? What are you doing? Where are you going? Because the car's getting towed. So where are you going? All right, so where are you going? Good.
I'm doing
Be
me.
gone,
You,
please.
It's all on video. You as a male officer had no right to touch.
Please move.
That's your lawsuit. He's a nurse.
Holy shit. I knew it was about to go big.
Oh my God, man. It's a nurse. It's a nurse. What? You know, I feel like nurses got the most body cam footage out of everything. It's a nurse. It's a nurse. What is it? What that got to do with anything, man? What that ain't got nothing to do with nothing. Act civilized, man. You know what I'm saying? I feel like out of all professions, right? What are the most body cam videos we see, right? Most of the body cam videos that we see, right, is the first is your unemployed guy, right? You're unemployed, hood, bum, whatever, right? That's the typical, right? And then your second would be like, you know, you're homeless, you know what I'm saying? Those type of people, whatever, like that. And then as far as professions are concerned, like professionals, right? The most I see nurse steals this, nurse shoplift, nurse DWI, nurse. Golly, what? I don't know what's going on with that nursing gig, but man, they be, you know what I'm saying? And the guy is an enabler. Let's be honest here. He doesn't reprimand his girlfriend, but he gonna tell the officer he gotta be nice or be gentle because she's pregnant. Well, this would have never started if she didn't kick him. Why is the nurse kicking the cop? But now you want to turn it around on it because it's the officer's fault, right? Yeah, okay.
I thought he was gonna be the one that's gonna jump in and get us. You okay? Yeah. She twisted my arm, man. Damn her.
I didn't do nothing.
She's just pregnant and she just got her nurse's license, and like we're just on our way of getting out of our whole lives, dog. And I made her stop so we can get a ride. This is the safest place to stop.
All right, but you.
Let's go, right?
You called for a 1070?
Yeah.
At least he calmed down and he explained what's going on. But yeah, man, it's whatever. It is what it is. Safest place to stop is the fire department in their driveway. Like, come on, bro. come on. Where it says do not enter. Like, can't make this shit up. Anyways, I think the officers did pretty good, man. Honestly, they had a lot of patience. So I'm definitely giving them 4 out of 5. I think they did a great job. You know, the results was solely based on her actions. You know, she can't shut the fuck up. You know what I mean? Solely based on her actions, and it is what it is. But how well do you think the officers did in the comment section below? Let me know. All right. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.